Quick guide of how to use Madoka controller. Go to App Store and download Madoka Assistant. Then click on the icon, and the next page is where Madoka Assistant is searching for all Madoka controllers around it. You will see a list of all Madoka controllers found by the app. Each controller has its own unique number, so you need to check in the particular controller what the number is and then find it on your list. Once you find it, you need to pair them. So all you need to do, you just need to click on the relevant icon on the Madoka Assistant and you'll get a message with a pairing request. You just click pair, and at the same time, on the actual Madoka controller, you will have the number and then the icon with a tick or a cross. You need to click on the minus sign and then click pair on your phone. If it paired correctly, this is what you're gonna see. To use Madoka controller, there are 3 buttons. You've got the middle button, and you've got one on the left, which is minus, and one on the right, which is plus. The middle button allows you to go to the menu, and you will be able to select following. The first is the fan speed. So once you select the appropriate fan speed using plus or minus button, you then just click the middle button to confirm it. The next selection is your mode. Normally you would see 4 modes, and that's heating, cooling, dehumidifier, and fan only. Once you select the required mode by using minus and plus buttons, you just press the middle button to confirm it. If it happens that you have more than one controller on your system, only master controller will have all 4 modes. All the other controllers will only have the fan only and the selected mode. So if you go to the controller and it doesn't show 4 modes, then you need to find the one which does, and that will be your master controller. The next folder is your Bluetooth connectivity. So once you get inside, you will be able to read the unique code of that controller, and also you will be able to turn on or off the Bluetooth. The next folder is your time and date settings. If you would like to change those, just use the plus, minus, and the middle button to navigate. The last folder is basically your main screen, where you can change the temperature by using minus and plus buttons. Just simply select required temperature and leave it. The on and off button is either in front of the controller if you're using the brass finish, or if you're using the standard controller, the on and off button is right on the top on the right hand side. On the app, on and off button are on top of the screen. The off is on the left, the on is on the right. Just tap on the relevant. To change the temperature on the app, you use the plus or minus button or the slider. All modes are displayed above the slider, and to change the mode, you simply tap on the one you'd like to use. Remember, the app will only show you the modes which are available on that particular controller. So if that is not a master controller, you're only gonna see most likely 2 modes. At the bottom of the screen, you've got the fan speed selector. Just simply tap on it and use the slider. An explanation mark on the controller tells you there is a message you need to check, and therefore you will go on your app, click on the bell button, and then you will have all the information there. In most cases, you will find a firmware update, filter cleaning sign, or a fault. If you would like to change the name of the controller, you can do it on the very first page. If you have any problems with setting this up, please call us on 02033079000. We will be happy to help.